Thank you for choosing Avery WePrint as your transparency label supplier. Together with Amazon, we're helping protect important brands like yours from the perils of counterfeit products sold in online marketplaces. To assure you have the best experience ordering your transparency labels from Avery WePrint, please make sure you've completed these 3 important steps. First, sign in or create a new Avery.com account. Next, you'll want to authorize Avery to request transparency codes on your behalf. Finally, the fun part. Our easy-to-use calculator can quickly dial up the exact labels you need to protect your brand from counterfeits. Select your size, request your codes, choose your application method, and voila! You're ready to check out. So go ahead and get started. Be sure to call us with any questions. We are here to help you.